like the concept of multiplication, we can also use this for strings, basically letters, words, and this is the concept of echoing strings. So as we do know that the multiplication operator star is used to calculate the product of two numeric values. Now in Python, this multiplication operator is also used to echo the string values. So echo means displaying repeatedly. Let us look at an example. Say for example, if we echo a string hello 3 times, then the string hello will be displayed as hello hello hello. See, 3 times. Okay. So for example, over here, see the string AAA into 5 will display, see, AAA, 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 how many times? 5 times. Now, let us practice this. So, see, hello into 3, see, the result is hello 3 times. Next, print Delhi into 5, see, the result is 5 times Delhi. Next, if I see here, basically I am showing you different ways of doing this echo. Okay, the first one is just single line, next one uses print. After that I am storing this I am a string in variable a, and then a into 5 I am doing, and the result is, see, there is no dot anywhere because in this I am a string there is no dot present. Okay, so see 1 2 3 4 5. Again I can do like this, print a star 3. Again this will give me this value. So see, 4 different ways of using the echo for strings.